Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you're thinking about getting a self-cleaning litter box, then I highly recommend this litter box from Placdill. Now, I've got to be honest, I was a little skeptical at first, never owning an automatic litter box. I thought maybe my cat would get hurt in it, or it wouldn't clean as well as it said it would, and it might be more of a hassle than just cleaning it myself. But I was very wrong. It comes with an easy put together box, some litter, trash bags, cleaning supplies, and easy to read directions and a charging cord. It also has a very easy to use app for your smartphone, so you can clean and deodorize your litter box when you're not even home. The app also has a feature that shows you when your litter box was in use and also every time it was cleaned. It has a safety sensor so your cat's not going to get caught up in the cleaning process. This cat box has so many features that I don't even have time to talk about them all. But to sum it all up, this litter box is something I didn't know that I needed until I got it, and now I don't want to go back to manually cleaning my box. And cleaning up is a breeze because all the little messes just drop into the trash bag and you can take it out and replace it at your convenience. This cat box keeps my home cleaner and odor-free longer than an ordinary box, and that just makes my home a more welcoming place. So if you're thinking about getting an automatic litter box, I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.